Yoga for beginners is a gentle and accessible introduction to the practice of yoga. It is designed for those who are new to yoga or looking to ease into it gradually. The main aim of yoga for beginners is to help individuals embark on their yoga journey with confidence and learn the basic postures, breathing techniques, and meditation practices. The program focuses on building strength, flexibility, and balance while also encouraging relaxation and stress reduction. In Yoga for Beginners, participants will learn various poses like Downward Dog, Warrior, Child's Pose, and Tree Pose. These poses help to stretch and strengthen different parts of the body. Each pose is broken down step by step, making it easy for beginners to follow along. Breathing exercises are another essential component of yoga for beginners. These exercises teach individuals how to calm the mind, regulate breathing, and increase oxygen flow to the body. Deep breathing can help reduce anxiety, improve focus, and promote a sense of well-being. Mindfulness and meditation techniques are also introduced in the program. These practices encourage individuals to be present in the moment, cultivate self-awareness, and connect with their inner selves. Meditation can improve mental clarity, reduce stress, and enhance overall emotional well-being. Yoga for Beginners is a non-intimidating and supportive environment for individuals who want to start their yoga journey. It is taught by experienced instructors who provide guidance, modifications, and encouragement throughout the program. By participating in Yoga for Beginners, individuals can experience the physical, mental, and emotional benefits of yoga. It is a holistic approach to wellness that promotes relaxation, flexibility, strength, and stress reduction. Whether someone is looking to improve their physical fitness or find a sense of inner peace, Yoga for Beginners is a great starting point.